Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix corrupted files on Windows 10 PC. Dealing with corrupt files can be frustrating and time-consuming as well, but not to worry, we've got you covered. For today's video, let us talk about various troubleshooting solutions that you can do to resolve corrupt files on your Windows 10 PC. Stay tuned as we dive into each solution, providing clear instructions and helpful tips to resolve this. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to run SFC and DISM scan. SFC, or System File Checker Scan, is a tool on Windows that scans your computer to identify and repair corrupted system files and attempts to restore any corrupt files if any are found. This helps maintain stability, fix buggy operating system issues, and ensure a smooth computing experience. If SFC finds corrupted files but cannot fix them, you can try alternative methods such as running DISM. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar on the lower left. Then select Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now at the command prompt window, type SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for the SFC scan to complete. Now at the command prompt window, type the command DISM.exe online cleanup image. Restore health and press Enter. Wait for the DISM scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer reboots, check if your computer's corrupted files are fixed. If not, consider performing a startup repair. The second solution to fix corrupted files is through startup repair. The purpose of fixing corrupted files through startup repair is to resolve issues with missing or damaged system files required to boot the operating system. By using startup repair, you can address issues such as corrupted system files. To do this, press the Windows key plus I keys to open Settings window. Then click Update and Security, and then at the left pane, click on Recovery. Now at the right pane, under Advanced Startup, click the Restart Now tab. Check if the issue is fixed. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to run System Restore. Running System Restore is another solution that you can do to fix corrupted files on Windows. It reverts your system to its last working state by undoing any changes that may have caused corrupted files on your computer. System Restore is a Windows recovery utility that rolls back your PC to a previous state when everything worked fine, effectively fixing file corruption or repairing the damage done by malware. To do this, type the restore point at the search bar at the lower left. Then click on Create a Restore Point result. Now click on the System Protection tab. Then click System Restore, and then click Next. Now, select from the recommended system restore points available. Click on the Scan for Affected Programs tab. A list of programs and drivers will be affected after the restore, then click Close. Now click the Next tab. Click Finish to confirm, and the system restore process will begin. Check if the issue is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to update Windows. Updating Windows can help fix corrupted files by replacing the damaged system files with updated working versions. New system files will be downloaded and installed that could help fix issues caused by corrupt files on your computer. First, press the Windows key or Start button. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now, select Update and Security. Then click the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If there's an available update, click Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Now check your computer for corrupt files to know if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.